Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Now that you know what makes this dish so special, let's dive into how to cook and serve it just like they do in Louisiana. Crafting the perfect crawfish boil, process and common vegetable add-ins. A real Cajun crawfish boil is part science, part party. The pot is where the magic happens, and it's more than just crawfish that gets dumped. Timing, layers, and ingredients all play a big role in how your meal tastes. Here's the usual way to pull off a classic boil. Fill and heat your pot. Start with plenty of water in a large pot fitted with a basket. Light the fire and bring it to a rolling boil. Season the water. Pour in your seasoning blend, salt and bay leaves. Squeeze in fresh lemons and throw the halves in too. Drop in whole garlic heads, cut in half. Add the veggies. Before the crawfish go in, stir in the veggies. They soak up all the flavors before it gets too crowded. You'll often see red potatoes, corn on the cob, onions, garlic bulbs, mushrooms, celery, carrots, sausage. Time for crawfish. Once veggies start to get just tender, it's time for the star ingredients. In go the live crawfish, always purged and rinsed until clean. Simmer, soak, and serve. Simmer just long enough to turn the crawfish bright red, then let them soak in the seasoned broth. This is where the real flavor gets in. The longer the soak, the spicier the crawfish. When done right, every element, crawfish, veggies, sausage, all bursts with the holy trinity of Cajun cooking. Spice, savor, and a hint of smoke. All that's left is to pile it high and dig in with friends, because around here, the table's always the best seasoning. How to eat crawfish like a Cajun. Sitting down to a pile of steaming crawfish is a rite of passage in Louisiana. The smell of spices in the air and the sound of laughter around the table set the mood for a true Cajun experience. Knowing how to peel and eat crawfish the local way isn't just about the food, it's about joining in, getting your hands dirty, and enjoying the moment together. Here's how to do it with confidence. Peeling and eating techniques. Every crawfish fan has their own method, but Cajuns keep it simple and quick. With a little practice, you'll be peeling like a pro, barely missing a beat in the conversation. Here's how most folks tackle crawfish. Twist and pull. Optional: suck the head. Pinch and peel. Pull out the meat. Repeat and don't slow down. For a flavor boost, dip your tail meat into a mix of melted butter, hot sauce, or the spicy boil liquid left on your plate. Crawfish etiquette and social traditions. Crawfish boils are as much about people as they are about food. From the setup to the unwritten rules, here's how to blend in at any Cajun table. Jump in and share. Don't rush. Keep your pile manageable. Respect the head suckers. Help the newcomers. Pass the sides. Enjoy the conversation. Eating crawfish like a Cajun is about more than the proper grip or technique. It's about becoming part of a friendly, loud, and flavorful tradition. Dive in, don't be afraid to get your hands messy, and enjoy the taste of Louisiana with all your senses. Popular Cajun crawfish dishes beyond the boil. Boiled crawfish might be the star of the show, but there's a whole side to Cajun cooking that takes crawfish in bold, delicious directions. These dishes turn everyday meals into something unforgettable, using crawfish to create comfort food you'll crave all year long. Let's look at the best ways Cajuns enjoy crawfish, no boil required. Crawfish étouffée. Crawfish étouffée brings comfort and spice together in a thick, savory stew poured over rice. The word étouffée means smothered, and that's exactly what happens here. Crawfish tails are simmered with onions, bell peppers, celery, the Cajun holy trinity, and a slow-cooked roux. Cajun seasoning, a splash of hot sauce, and a handful of fresh herbs round out the flavors. Étouffée is rich and hearty, perfect for a quiet weeknight or a big family dinner. The sauce soaks into the rice, delivering peppery heat and deep, savory notes with every bite. It's one of those dishes where everyone ends up scraping their plate clean, no leftovers in sight. What sets étouffée apart? Slow-cooked flavor. Simple ingredients. Versatility. Crawfish Pie and Boudin. Cajun cooks have a long history of turning basic ingredients into something special. Crawfish pie is a classic, often showing up at celebrations and Sunday dinners. This savory dish is like chicken pot pie's bolder cousin. A flaky pastry crust holds a spicy mix of crawfish, onions, peppers, and a creamy sauce that bubbles up golden and rich in the oven. Boudin, on the other hand, is true Louisiana comfort food. It's a rice sausage seasoned with herbs, spices, and plenty of crawfish tails. The mixture gets stuffed into sausage casings, steamed or smoked, and sliced into rounds for dipping or eating on the go. Why do locals love crawfish pie and boudin? Handheld and hearty. Bursting with flavor. Family recipes. Modern twists on Cajun crawfish. Today's Cajun chefs aren't afraid to get creative. Crawfish now pops up in all kinds of inventive recipes, mixing tradition with playful new flavors. These modern takes keep the spirit of Cajun cuisine alive while attracting a new crowd of food lovers. Some creative crawfish dishes you'll find on Louisiana menus. Crawfish mac and cheese. Crawfish bread. Crawfish tacos and nachos. Crawfish ravioli. These twists mix old-school flavor with a dash of fun. Whether it's mac and cheese at home or crawfish bread at a festival, you're guaranteed a big, bold taste that's always true to Louisiana roots. Crawfish has a way of making any dish feel like a celebration. Whether you're eating étouffée spooned over rice or trying out a crawfish taco, each recipe keeps Cajun culture and your taste buds on their toes. Cajun crawfish isn't just food, it's a way to connect with Louisiana's heart and soul. Each pot tells a story, blending spice, tradition, and community in every bite. Whether you join a backyard boil or try a classic étouffée, you're taking part in a rich, living culture. Grab your friends, roll up your sleeves, and dig in. If you've never tasted crawfish the Cajun way, now's the time. Share your favorite crawfish memories or recipes in the comments and keep the spirit alive for the next generation. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.